Have you ever wished everyday problems could be solved in seconds? Well, technology has made that possible. From losing your keys, to messy desks, to dead phone batteries, there are gadgets designed to make life easier, faster, and way less stressful. Today, we're looking at 5 genius gadgets that solve everyday problems in seconds. And trust me, you'll want at least one of these by the end of this video. 1. Key Finder Tracker. We've all been there. You're ready to leave the house, but your keys are missing. You check the table, the couch, your pockets, nothing. That's where the Key Finder Tracker comes in. Attach this tiny gadget to your keys, wallet, or bag, and connect it to your phone. Now if you lose your keys, you simply tap the app, and it makes the tracker ring instantly. Some versions can even show the last known location on a map. No more wasting 10 minutes every morning searching everywhere. This tiny gadget can save you stress every single day. 2. Wireless Charging Pad. Charging cables are annoying. They break, tangle, disappear, and somehow always stop working when you need them most. That's why the wireless charging pad is such a game changer. Just place your phone on the pad and it starts charging automatically. No plugging in. No damaged cables. No frustration. Many modern phones support this feature, making it one of the easiest ways to keep your battery full. It looks clean on your desk, keeps things organized, and makes charging feel effortless. Simple idea, huge convenience. 3. Cordless Mini Vacuum. Crumbs on your desk. Dust in your keyboard. Hair on the couch. Small messes happen every day, but dragging out a big vacuum cleaner is too much work. That's where the cordless mini vacuum shines. It's compact, lightweight, rechargeable, and powerful enough for quick cleanups. Use it on desks, sofas, car seats, drawers, and hard-to-reach corners. Instead of ignoring the mess because cleaning feels stressful, you solve it in seconds. This gadget is perfect for people who love a clean space without extra effort. 4. Foldable Laptop Stand. If you work or study on a laptop, you probably know the pain. Looking down at your screen for hours can hurt your neck, shoulders, and back. The foldable laptop stand fixes that instantly. It lifts your laptop screen to a more comfortable eye level, improving posture and reducing strain. It also improves airflow, helping keep your laptop cooler. Best part? It folds flat, so you can carry it anywhere. Home, office, coffee shop, classroom, it works everywhere. Small gadget, big upgrade for productivity and comfort. 5. Mini Heat Sealer. Ever open a bag of snacks and struggle to close it again? You fold it, clip it, and later the food goes stale anyway. That's why the Mini Heat Sealer is brilliant. This small handheld gadget reseals plastic bags in seconds using heat. Snacks stay fresh longer, food lasts more days, and you waste less money. It's fast, easy, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Once you try it, you'll wonder why everyone doesn't own one. So those were 5 genius gadgets that solve everyday problems in seconds. From finding lost keys, to charging without cables, to cleaning fast, to better posture, to keeping snacks fresh. Technology really can make life easier. Now tell me, which one would you buy first? Comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart gadgets and amazing tech.